Hello, hello. Hey, got another truck here. 2008 Nissan Frontier 4.0 V6. So it's not blowing air, cold air. So I had to replace the compressor. And the compressor is located on the left side, bottom side, on this Nissan Frontier. So as you can see, it's located over there. So I had to remove this air box, the air duct, and I think the fan cover. So I hope this job is easy, but I don't know. Sometimes you think it's easy, but you have to remove a lot of stuff out of the way. So let's see what's going on with this thing. We're gonna start removing all the parts and I'll be right back. Okay, I removed the air box complete, the whole air box and the air duct. You can see, you can take it out of the whole assembly, and this is the cover on the top. So now I'm going to drain the Freon and make sure it doesn't have pressure in the system, because if you open the hoses and if you don't drain it, it's going to hurt to. So let's empty this thing. So the air duct has one bolt right here, number 10. Oh, you have to remove this little cable, the ground. So that's here, number 10, bolt 2, and you're gonna need one screwdriver like this, big, to remove the clamp on the air duct. And I think I don't need to remove this cover, so I'm going to try to do it like that without removing it. I believe this has just 3 bolts that hold this thing. One right here, another here, and another right here. So this is the replacement that I got it from junkyard. I hope this thing works, because sometimes when you get something used, it's not working. Like I did on the first video that I replaced a compressor on a Cadillac. But I used one and it was bad, so I had to get a new one. So I'm gonna try this one and let's see what's going on. I'll be back. Okay, already removed the hose from the condenser to the compressor, that it was on the way, and I almost forgot to take the serpentine belt off. So you need to do that before to lose the bolts on the compressor. So you have to use a 3/8 ratchet, and I got this piece of pipe, so you have to lose it and remove the serpentine belt. So let's continue on this and see what happened. I'll be back. Okay guys, I already loosed the compressor, took the all 3 bolts with a socket number 12. So I wanted to show you this because, as you can see, it has enough room to get it out, so you don't have to take this cover out. As you can see, came out easy. There you go. And it looks the same. It looks the same to me. So let's put the other one on, and then we're gonna use the vacuum pump. So I'll be right back. All right guys, I just finished replacing the compressor, so everything is on place again. So now I need to put the vacuum pump and see if the system is not leaking. So that is. So as you can see, the gauge is moving. It's gonna retract all the way back, and I'm gonna vacuum it for about 5 minutes. Close the valves and check if this gauge moves. That means that we have a leak on the system and we have to fix it. So let's give it 5 minutes and I'll be right back. All right, this thing is ready to put the frame on. As you can see, there's no leak. The gauge won't move. So we need to fill it up with Freon, and you know the procedure. Start the engine, turn it on to the number 4, make sure that one is on the blue color all the way, and that one should be on the max. That one should be on, and that one too. So let's see what's going on. Compressor is on. Start making a weird noise, but I don't know. I'm It was because yeah, it's working fine. As you can see over there, working. And we're gonna check inside. Takes two can of Freon and gonna be fine. So the good thing is that the compressor was good from junkyard, so we don't have to buy a new one. Yeah, it's good. It's cold. So I hope you like the video. I hope I can help you do your or fix your car too. Yeah, I hope you fix the same problem on your car, and this video help you. So if you like the video, share and like it. Consider subscribing so I can be motivated and make more videos. Alright, that's all for now, and thanks for watching. God bless you.